I'm feeling extremely happy that they have called me today to be a part of such a intimate things of their life, because I think a college fest for each college student, it holds a lot of meaning, because we all pass out from this college and we take so many memories throughout our lives. So I'm extremely happy to be here and celebrate their festival with the students. No, I don't think I don't think I did any extra preparation for coming here today, because I think it's all about spontaneity and connecting. And one thing which holds a lot of meaning for me is that my debut film's music Yariyan was launched in Mithibai College, and they were a part of such a important thing of my life, the college and the students. So and the music went on to become a blockbuster. So the college is very, very dear to me, and though I have not passed out from this college, but that connect is special. And so it was a special occasion for them, and when they called me, I was thrilled, and I said yes, of course I'll be a part of it. Everything is organized by the students, तो वो बहुत अच्छी बात होती है, because students खुद आगे आकर पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं एंड सब कुछ खुद तैयार करते हैं, टीचर्स ज़्यादा हेल्प नहीं करते. एंड स्टूडेंट्स का खुद का फेस्टिवल होता है जो खुद वो पुट टुगेदर करते हैं, एंड व्हेन दे आर गेटिंग रेडी टू फेस द लाइफ अहेड, एंड दे स्टार्ट विद सच अ गुड थिंग ऑफ showing teamwork and coming together and taking responsibility and organizing an event and presenting it on their own. So I think it just gives them more courage for the life ahead. और क्योंकि खुद करते हैं, so जो भी appreciation मिलती है, it's completely because of their hard work. So I think it just prepares them for the life ahead. And otherwise, of course, you can't miss the fun and frolic, which is a part of the event. And जो भी मज़ा आता है, that's extremely nice. When I was in college in Delhi University, I also participated in the RAM show and whatever the college, little some dance or some speeches or some things. So I think it's so nice and refreshing, because those memories you carry throughout your life. And now when I'm coming here today, so I'm kind of feeling nostalgic as well, because I'm remembering my own college days. So it's not seeming कि it's been so long that I've been in college, and ऐसा लग रहा है like just yesterday I passed out from a college, So I think they're just students, and I would just like to encourage them. They put in so much of hard work, and of course बहुत सारी restrictions भी होती हैं, like for example monetary restrictions. They don't have high budgets to put it forward. So जिस भी level पे वो तैयार करते हैं, I would just like to encourage them. And मैंने देखा है over the years the hard work of the students and the level of the college fest has only gone up and up and up, and I think they're doing a fab job. I think comfort level is very important, because कपड़े ऐसे नहीं होने चाहिए कि you are very, very uncomfortable throughout the day or night wherever you choose to go. And I think that's the most important. But at the same time, I like to go for subtle colors and fabrics which are light, not something which is very thick and you just go on sweating throughout the day. So today I'm feeling very nice and relaxed, because it's a very relaxed outfit. I think for me, fashion is all about being elegant and chic and being comfortable, and I think that's it. Jewelry definitely part hoti hai, but I think you should accessorize really, really minimum. That's what I feel, because too much accessorizing doesn't look good. अभी for example I'm wearing necklace today, अगर मैं earrings भी पहन लेती और हाथों में भी पहन लेती, तो it would have been a bit too much. So accessory उतनी होनी चाहिए जितने की the minimal best. I think fashion is, like I said, it's more about your own personal style, and everybody interprets fashion differently. कईयों के लिए fashion is very quirky. For some people it's very boho. So for me, I feel it's about being comfortable in your own skin. You can't really define it कि मैं सिर्फ Indian ही पहनूंगी या मैं Western ही पहनूंगी. It depends upon the day, the kind of weather. So a lot of things should be taken into consideration, and for me, fashion is all about being elegant and being comfortable and keeping it to the minimum. I don't think this is true at all, because मैं personally अगर मेरे पास चॉइस हो तो मैं रोज़ इंडियन कपड़े पहनूँ, But sometimes, like I said, lots of things have to be taken into consideration. अगर मैं ऐसे इवेंट पे एक साड़ी पहन कर आ जाऊँगी तो मैं खुद ही आउट ऑफ प्लेस फील करूँगी. बट अगर कोई भी इवेंट होता है जहाँ की मैं एक अनारकली पहन सकूँ या साड़ी पहन सकूँ, सो आई नेवर लेट इट गो आउट ऑफ माई हैंड एंड आई ऑलवेज ड्रेस इन अ इंडियन आउटफिट. मैं अपनी नेक्स्ट मूवी सनम रे कर रही हूँ. अभी मेरी ऑलमोस्ट 90% शूटिंग कंप्लीट हो गई है and there's still some 7-8 days more to go, and the trailer would be I would be releasing the trailer in December, and in Feb the film will be out. So I would like to request all of you that please go and watch it.